problem where we're asked to calculate the direct materials price and quantity variance. It says Dolphin Ceramics produces large planters to be used in urban landscaping projects. A special earth clay is used to make the planters. The standard quantity of clay used for each planter is 24 pounds. Dolphin uses a standard cost of $2 per pound of clay. Dolphin produced 3,125 planters in May. In that month, 78,125 pounds of clay were purchased and used at a total cost of $150,000. So we're asked to first calculate the direct material price variance and then the direct materials quantity variance. So let's go ahead and we'll plug in what we know here. So we do know that the selling price per pound of clay, or the standard price, the standard cost per pound of clay is $2. And we want to multiply that times the actual quantity, which we are told was 78,125 pounds, and subtract that from the standard quantity. Well, we're not exactly given the standard quantity here, but we can easily calculate it because the standard quantity of clay used for each planter is 24 pounds. So we know 24 pounds, and they produce 3,125 planters. So that comes out to $75,000. So that will be our standard quantity, 75,000. So the difference here is going to be a difference of $3,125 between the actual and standard quantity. That gets multiplied times the standard price of $2. So that is going to give us a $62.50 unfavorable variance. And the reason it's unfavorable is because they used more clay than their standard would allow. Now let's go ahead and shift down to the price variance here. So we know that the actual quantity was 78,125. And let's look at the price. Well, what did they actually pay? We'll have to work backwards and figure that out, because it says they paid $150,000, which we see right here. And again, they used 78,125 pounds. So let's do that calculation here real quickly. And it looks like that comes out to $1.92. So the actual price then was $1.92. And we know the standard was $2. We had that in the previous quantity variance. So now we've got 78,125 times, and the difference here of 8 cents. So that will be a $62.50 favorable variance. Oddly enough, the variance is favorable here because the actual price of $1.92 was less than the standard cost of $2.